Hi friends, today I am going to prepare a Mangalorean curry using palak or spinach, which is high in iron and vitamins, with potato. To prepare palak potato curry, I am using one bundle of spinach, cutting its end and cleaning it twice in water. I have cut all the palak into small pieces. Palak is ready. Now let's prepare the potato. For that, I have peeled and cleaned 4 potatoes and cut them into small pieces. And then sliced 1 onion and chopped 4 tomatoes. To a vessel, I am adding the prepped palak, potato, onion, tomatoes, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1½ glasses of water and keeping it for boiling. Let this cook. Meanwhile, let's prepare the masala, for which I am using 1 cup of grated coconut, 3 garlic pods, half onion, 7 dry roasted red chilli, 2 teaspoon of dry roasted coriander seeds, half teaspoon of dry roasted cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and water as required. And grind this into a fine paste. The masala is ready. The palak and potato has also been cooked. Now let's add the masala and adjust consistency by adding water if required. Let this boil until the masala cooks. The masala is cooked now. Check and adjust the salt if required. Nutritious and healthy curry palak potato is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.